Nestled in the rolling hills of northwestern Lincoln County, you will find a small rural school serving the communities of Petersburg and Boones Hill. The school's name, Unity, came after the two communities joined together with a unified purpose to provide opportunities for their children. A 25-acre parcel of land was graciously donated by a local family, and in 1992, Unity School, home of the Lions, was born. At this time, the two existing schools, Petersburg Elementary and Boones Hill Elementary, closed their doors after proudly serving their communities for decades. In the beginning, Unity Junior High housed grades kindergarten through 9th grade, but since that time, the grade configuration has been restructured to serve students in pre-K through 8th grade, and the name changed to Unity School. We currently have an enrollment of approximately 400 students and employ over 60 personnel. Our faculty and staff are highly qualified, and we exemplify a desire for lifelong learning, with 75% of faculty holding master's level degrees or higher. We are large enough to provide a wealth of extracurricular activities and experiences, but small enough to know every child's name and provide individualized instruction. Our hashtag, Greatness Starts Here, embodies our belief that all students can succeed. We strive to foster this belief in our students by encouraging them to participate with their peers in activities such as service organizations, band, athletics, and academic teams, just to name a few. We recognize and celebrate our accomplishments, both large and small, at Unity, and strive to instill in our students a sense of honor and integrity. We are very proud of our Lions and love to see the packed stands at our sporting events. Our football, basketball, and volleyball programs are successful and highly competitive every year due to the dedication of our coaches and student athletes, along with the support of our families. At Unity, we take pride not only in our beautiful campus, but in the family atmosphere evident throughout the school. Our students come to us from a variety of backgrounds and experiences, but once they enter the door of Unity, they are a part of our Lion family. Our students, staff, and families are always welcoming to new members and ready to respond and support those in need. This giving spirit is evident through a variety of fundraisers and drives hosted annually. We are driven by Lincoln County's core values to meet the needs of our students academically, physically, emotionally, and morally. We work each day to take care of our students and those who take care of them. At Unity, we focus on doing what is best for children to prepare them to go out into the world with skills and confidence, to be healthy, productive citizens, and to follow their dreams.